Hey guys, welcome to the Urban Canteen. My name's Paul and I've got an epic recipe for you today that is not only stupidly easy, you chuck it in the oven, 45 minutes later we're using one pan. How easy is that? That sounds good? Stick around. Right, so today we're doing a curry chicken leg with roasted root vegetables. Like I said, one pan in the oven and it's done. So let's get on. First things first, we're going to make our little marinade for our chicken. So just a couple of ingredients, super easy. I've gone with some medium curry spice powder here. Again, you don't have to use curry. If you want to use something like a Moroccan rub, you could do that. Barbecue seasoning, you could do a smoked paprika, cumin, lemon and herb. The options are endless, so whatever you like, but this works really well for me. The toppings that we're going to put on the end works great with curry spice, so that's what I'm using today. Again, I've gone for a medium heat. You can go for a spicy, you could go more specific like a tikka or a madras, something like that. This works well for me. So I've done 2 tablespoons of curry powder. We've got 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That's just going to spice things up, make them nice and sweet. We're going to go for maybe a glug of this, so it's about 2 tablespoons again. Happy days. And a pinch of salt and pepper. And it goes. So then we just give that a little mix around. That will kind of go a bit like a paste. Doesn't take long. If it looks a little bit dry, then all you need to do is add another glug of oil. But you kind of want it like a nice paste, then it kind of really coats the chicken. And it works really well, right? We're done. How easy is that to make a little rub for a chicken? Doesn't get much easier than that. So that's done. Next thing is to put our chicken in there, throw the vegetables in the tray. Happy days. So you want a nice big tray to get it all in. Again, use as many pieces as you like. This is going to do like a family of 4, easy. All I've used is 3 mixed peppers, a red onion, 1 big sweet potato, and 1 squash. Butternut squash, that all goes in there. Got 4 chicken legs. That'll do a family of 4 easy, no problem. So the peppers, because they cook quite quickly, we're going to leave them out. They're not going to go in straight away. I've done some sweet potato. Like you can see, I've done big wedges. They're not kind of nicely small dice or anything like that. Again, same with the onions, they're just big old wedges. To be honest, the bigger they are, the better for this dish. And you don't want it too small because they'll cook really quickly. The chicken legs are going to take around 45 minutes to cook. If you chop your vegetables a bit too small, then they'll just turn to mush within that 45 minutes. So actually something a bit chunkier is good. I'll show you what I've done. Like the butternut squash here, again, wedges. Nice and easy. So all I've done with this, let me show you, is basically just cut it into wedges. So I cut the butternut squash in half, scooped out the seeds, that's it. Leave the skin on, and then just cut it into nice wedges. It doesn't have to be wedges, you can just do big chunky slices. Just making it a little bit chefy. But again, yeah, wedges, that's it, done. So all of this prep, the red onion, the sweet potato, the squash, you're looking at 3-4 minutes, not very much. And that's it, done. That's easy. Now what we're going to do is get our marinade. We get our chicken. The chicken legs here, they're kind of medium size. They're about 250 grams each. Again, like I said, that's a good portion for a family of 4 legs here. All I've done is scored it. So again, it's just like a little slice into the flesh. I've done that 4 times on the thigh, like 2 on the thigh, 2 on the drumstick. So all you do, dump that in, time to get your hands dirty, and just massage that into the chicken, make sure you get it right into all the slices, get it all over. First leg, done. Exactly the same. Nice. Right, so I'm back with clean hands, happy days. We've got our chicken and our vegetables in a tray. That's going to go into a preheated oven, about 180 degrees C, 45 minutes for these chicken legs. Which gives you enough time to go off and do a hit session in your lounge, put the kids to bed, maybe spend 45 minutes trying to flick through Netflix, trying to find a film that's suitable for you and your partner. Good luck with that. And then we come back and we stick our toppings on. Happy days. Here we go, guys, 45 minutes later and it's done. Now the clever ones of you are probably thinking, what happened to the peppers? So let me explain. We put this in the oven for 45 minutes, like I said, on 180. But after about 30 minutes, that's when you want to throw your peppers in. Just for like the last 15 minutes, if you put them in at the start, they're going to go mushy. They don't take long to cook. So yeah, bung them in with about 10 minutes, 15 minutes left to go. They'll roast off nicely and it's all done. Like you can see the vegetables are lovely and roasted. Chicken legs are really still moist and lovely. And now it's the fun part. We get to stick our toppings on. Now, for me, I've gone for a cup of Greek yogurt, some spring onions, some coriander, and a bit of lime zest. This works so well with the curry spices. And again, all you need to do, you can take it out, put it on a plate if you want, and serve it individually. I say, chuck it on. Just drizzle it over, guys. Doesn't have to be pretty. This is a pretty rustic dish. That's what we love. It's just so good. Real easy. Like I said, the prep time, what took us kind of 5 minutes to chop some vegetables, chuck it in a dish. 45 minutes later, comes out, done. Spring onion, chuck them over. Beautiful. Coriander. I love coriander. It's so tasty. Right, guys, I hope you try it. I hope you like what you see. Please, 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 if you love this recipe, give me a thumbs up, let me know. If you have any questions or there's something you want to see, as always, leave it in the comments box below. I'll be sure to get back to you. You can catch me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Again, be social, catch up with me on them places at the Urban Canteen. And then again on my website, I've got loads of recipes. I've got the video links to all the videos I do on YouTube on there as well. So that's theurbancanteen.com. Check me out on there, guys. Please give this a go because it is too good to miss out on. Until next time, guys, take it easy.